Good afternoon, Standard 10th, Subject English. Today we learn a passage, lesson number 2.4, an epitome of courage. Last period we learned a part of the lesson. Now there is a passage on this part. Listen carefully, solve in your notebook as well as in your workbook also. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1 simple factual activity. Complete the following sentence with the help of the information from the passage. First, Dr. Stephen Hawking was born on dash. Second, courage is the quality which makes people dash. Third, Dr. Stephen Hawking was a living dash. Fourth, he wanted to study mathematics but the dash. Next sentence, Stephen Hawking's parents failed to know about Stephen that dash. Next sentence, Stephen Hawking was sent to the dash to study mathematics. So passage number 1, page number 62. Exactly 300 years after the dash, study physics instead. Now question number A2, complex factual activity. What do you know about Dr. Stephen Hawking from this passage? Broad question. A3, activity based on vocabulary. Classify the following words into verbs, adjectives and nouns. Make table, verbs, adjectives, nouns. I read the words: whole, no, little, feeling, calamity, legend, mind, physics, great, imagine, wonderful, real, courage, faced, grief, hurt, fate, curse, like this. So choose the correct word and fill in the correct column. A4, activity based on contextual grammar. Make the following sentence exclamatory. Last year we learned it. This is simple sentence. Courage is truly a wonderful thing. Make exclamatory sentence. For example, I tell you, what a wonderful thing courage is exclamatory sign. Do you understand? We make exclamation sentence with two words, how and what. We use here what because there is a article in this sentence and there is an adjective before the noun. So this is the rule and we choose the word what for make the exclamatory sentence. The next sentence, Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. Third sentence, he was very clumsy. In this sentence, we use how because there is no article, there is no adjective before noun, and so instead of very, use how clumsy he was, exclamatory sign. He was very simple and intelligent. Next sentence. Use the following words phrases in your own sentence. Exaggeration, quirk of fate, and epitome of, like this. Then change the following sentences into positive and comparative degree. Dr. Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of this century. Positive degree. One of the. There are so many greatest scientists, but Hawking is one of them. That's why in positive degree, not many scientists of this century are as great as Dr. Hawking. In comparative degree, Dr. Hawking is greater than most other scientists of this century. Then convert the following to interrogative question form. His mind would soar up into space like light. Make verbal question. You know that. Change the place of auxiliary verb and subject and make the question. A5 personal response. Do you think that courage is a wonderful thing? Why do you think so? So solve this passage in your notebook as well as in your workbook and read it again and again to understand. I will stop here.